Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, just open Photos app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now, to select multiple at once, just click on this dot at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected. In order to delete them, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!